Hello, good afternoon, allergies. So I have said good evening, everyone. So today, welcome to my channel first of all. So this channel I have made to teach German to my fellow Indians. So I have started learning German in mid 2021, and I have completed my German levels from A1 to C1. So today I'm trying a new dish, like not a new dish. It's a chicken. It's under egg pulao. So I'm going to teach you like how to do that, how to process it. So let's go ahead and do that. So guys, I have bought this potatoes, kartoffel, their kartoffel, onions, is Bible. Das ist Bible, their kartoffel. So I'm speaking in German. So in German for potato we call their Kartoffel. This Bible, and this is the spicer, and so this is I have is chicken masala, ginger garlic paste, and this is some other masala, and then we have the rice, some veggies and eggs, also some veggies and curd. So I'll just try to cook this, and this is the khada masala. So let's see how it goes. So as you can see, we have the kartoffel, the zwiebel, das ice, carrot, peas, and rice, and coriander, and then we have coriander leaves, ginger, and we have this. We have one tomato because it is expensive. We have here the curd, and then we have some spices, and check this, and we have the spice carta. So let's cut it. So this is the carrots, onions, coriander leaves, tomato, there's green chillies and potatoes and peas. We have this as well. So I'm putting this eggs here. Just dunk it in. And boil it on the high flame. Just lower the flame. Eggs are boiling. So after dunking in the eggs, just make sure it boils properly for 5 to 10 minutes and keep checking it. And then you can just scraple off the turple, and you can check the eggs are done fine here. Make sure to put some salt in the water so that it could come out properly. Now just you have to fry the potatoes properly in the oil. Just put 2 teaspoons of oil, and then just fry your potatoes properly. Put 2 teaspoons of salt here also, and then you just have to just fry it properly, like till the medium heat. Just make sure there are no, like all the sides are equally fried till like medium to brown olive color. Just do it properly, and pardon me for my pan, it's a little like it's little rusted. Just pardon it for me. And here we have our spices, and you can see the cumin seeds, the parivitra, the brown cardamom, the cinnamon, the rose spice, and the bay leaves, and the black cardamom, and the green cardamom. Sorry, the what we call black pepper. And here put in the rice, like one glass of rice, and then half glass of rice according to how many people are gonna eat. Wash it properly. After washing it, rinse off the water, and meanwhile you can just put it in your the spices in the oil, and just make sure that it shouldn't be more than 10 seconds for it. Just fry it for 10 seconds so that the aroma should be proper in the oil. Just make sure not to burn it. Just fry it properly for like 10 to 20 seconds, and meanwhile you can put your other ingredient as onion, It is very essential for onion to cook properly, like it should be caramelized properly. Onion is the most important ingredient here, so that the aroma of the masalas and the aroma of the all the spices should come out properly. So make sure to caramelize it like medium brown, till medium brown. Here I am putting here some ginger garlic paste here, and you should put it according to your taste, like how you like it spicy, or you want the taste of ginger and garlic to come out in the egg pulao. Just squeeze it all in here properly, and then you can again you have to go back to properly mixing it. And here you can see, like just make sure you cook it for like at least 7 to 8 minutes, and add salt accordingly. Adding salt makes it more like it doesn't makes it wetty. And here then you have to add the other things like green chilies, coriander leaves and curry leaves into the into your cooker, and then again mix it properly, and make sure it shouldn't be burned, it should be on the medium flame. Then you can add the spices. Here I'm adding turmeric, salt, chicken masala, chili and coriander powder, chili powder and coriander powder. Just mix it in, and again mix it properly, stir it well. Just make sure that you don't burn the masalas here, and add some water so that the masalas get properly mix it, simmer it properly. You can add 1 teaspoon of water again so that the masalas should mix and simmer well. Then again fry it properly. Then you can rinse your put the rice, like 3 glass of water in 1.5 glass of rice in equal proportion. Double the proportion, and just put it in your prepared masala properly. Put in your eggs, the veggies and everything, potatoes and all, mix in. It is very important to adjust the salt accordingly. So here I am putting 2 teaspoon accordingly. And just make sure to taste it before you close the lid. Close the lid of the cooker. So here just make sure you stir it well and check the taste of the salt accordingly, and you have to close the lid. Here you have to wait for 3 whistles. One whistle at high flame, and 2 whistles at low flame. And here, wallahi, we have your first whistle here. Just wait for the 2 more on the low heat and the medium heat, and then you have your egg pulao ready. Oh God, it smells so good. Let's just go and let's just dig it in. Let's just start eating. So you can check the texture of the rice. The potatoes are overcooked. I'm so sorry for that. I burned it. But the rice is cooked properly, and the other veggies are also cooked properly. And the egg is also not broken. That's a blessing. All the veggies are cooked properly. The rice is cooked properly. And I guess I have burned the potatoes, but that's fine. And then just wallahi, let's enjoy it. Let's first taste it, how it tastes. So here our egg pulao is ready. So let's just stop the commentary and enjoy the whole aroma, the taste of this egg pulao. And men can cook too. So here I have added some curd. So like I missed out on the curd in the masalas. So you can also eat it, pour it on your egg pulao and eat it. It tastes better. So that's how you cook egg pulao. So thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe it. Bye.
No, I'm not